it's just all awkward. So anyway, as you may have noticed, I am not Dave. I am Charla. Dave and I decided to switch days because Thursdays were just too much for me to handle. Justin wants his beanie. Anyway, so she was lovely and decided that she would switch with me. So thank you so much. There is definitely a star on my glasses. You're not crazy. It's just a sticker. So I'm going to touch on the things that you guys have been talking about, and then I'll talk about me, because I'm so exciting. 1, if I could be any superhero / have any superpower, what would it be? And I tried to explain this to my friends yesterday, but they all thought I was crazy. Now, hear me out. Right? Shooting. To be able to shoot matzah. Shut up. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. To be able to shoot matzah or spaghetti out of your fingers. Now, imagine here. Stop it. Imagine you're being attacked, right? What is more distracting than matzah shooting out of your hands or spaghetti? It makes sense. And that would be the power I would have. And also because I love spaghetti. So, that would be nice. Just whenever I'm hungry, kind of way faster than cooking it. I have no clue what a toque is at all, except for the fact that Maddie said it was like a hat thing. I was talking about stereotypes. Now, I'm originally from Texas, and I'm sure every single one of you think everyone from Texas is a redneck / has a gun / hates everything except Texan-y type stuff. While most of that is true of most of the people residing in that area, just because that's like the way of life, I like to think I'm not a redneck / I know how to shoot a gun, so there's that. But yeah, I like to think I'm a little more open to differences than most people in Texas. It's 11 o'clock right now, so I made this quickly. But I'm going to make a bunch of these, and throughout the week I'm going to film myself giving them to people when they do something awesome. But for now, I'm going to give this one awesome point to one awesome dude. Justin, why don't you tell them something awesome you've done today?
I don't know, actually.
You've done lots of awesome stuff today.
How about you tell them one awesome thing I've done today?
Let me think. Let me come up with one that's awesome enough.
You have 45 seconds until you're out of time.
Oh my goodness, the pressure. The pressure's on.
Awkward silence.
Go! Vuvuzela. No! Alright, give me your awesome point back. One awesome thing Justin did today was he played like 60 videos of a cappella groups singing old 90s TV show theme songs. It could be like a grocery store. I'm talking. Oh! Oh! I've never seen a blue one before. Oh my god! Oh my goodness, distracted Mundo. No! Justin gets an awesome point because of this. Thanks, dude. Anyway, Sarah, your challenge is to go into a public area, whether it's like a grocery store, a parking lot, a front yard, and do...
Parkour.
No, not parkour. Go and do your happy dance. And I want to see it, and I want to see what's going on everywhere, and stuff, and things, and pointy, point. This is distracting. I should go now. Okay, thanks, bye.